Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to shop for the bots on our website. So the steps are pretty simple. All you need to do is to get onto your browser and type the forexfitness.com, forexfitness.com, like that, and hit enter. Yeah, so this is our website where all bots are. Soon we are uploading classes for those who need to learn, and we will also add indicators, trading indicators here. So this is the website. If you scroll down or scroll up, if you go down, you'll see featured bots here. Here we have both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 robots. So you can see we have Apollo. We have Apollo with the zoom. Okay, we have Apollo Global at $6.99 monthly renting currently. Let me go back. Okay, at $6.99. Then we have a Luna Primal, which is this guy here at 1,200 monthly installation, not monthly, for renting if you want to rent it for a month. Then you also have the Scalper, which is Apollo AI, which is rented for $339 per month. We also have Apollo G Plus, which is this one here, rented for $550 USD per month. Then we have the big boy. Yeah, after Luna Primal, we have Apollo G++, which is $750 USD. Yeah, so if you buy, you click and check out, you'll be able to download the bot, and the bot will come with installation instructions. So, for example, let me click this. Just a simple show of how you can get your way to the checkout window. Let me see if I can zoom out. Okay, so just click add to cart. Then it seems to have a couple bots here. It seems to have two. Okay, let me see. Add to cart. Seems to have a couple. Okay, let me view cart. Oh, I said 3 instead of 1. Okay, so you add it to cart, you'll be able to see it right here. Then you can proceed to checkout, fill in your email. Yeah, yes, so you can fill in your card details, pay via PayPal or via card, and click complete order, and you'll be taken to the download page where you're gonna download the bot and start trading. Yeah, it comes with the installation guide, PDF and video. Yeah, so there's no worry about how you can get going with the bot by yourself. And again, I offer full support to all my clients. So in case you have any issues you need to be helped, we are always very ready to help you get going with the robot. So that is the section of buying the robot. You can see on this tab up here we have MT5 robot and a section for MetaTrader 4 bots. So you can actually just click here if you just want to download or to buy MetaTrader 5 robot. Just click and you see just all the versions are both in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So MetaTrader 5 bots, you get the same bots, and MetaTrader 4 the same bot in MetaTrader 4 version. So yeah, and we also have the subscription. Now this subscription is for those who are in the VIP manual program, or those who bought the bot and they are paying monthly subscription to keep the bot trading on their platform. So to start off, let me explain the VIP. So with the VIPs, we have 2 VIP sections currently. We have we'll update one here. We have for premium signal VIP, which is 99 USD per month. We also have one here. Where is it? Delta. Where is Delta VIP? I can see. There we go. We have Delta VIP monthly subscription, which is 55 USD per month. Yeah, so currently we have made available 2 VIP subscriptions, and we also have the subscription, monthly subscription for those who are having the bot trading on their MetaTrader 4 or 5. We have the Apollo Global monthly subscription, which is 99 USD per month. And we also have those who are having more than one bot on their platform. Like we have many people having Apollo Global and Apollo G++, which seem to really give them some pretty good profit. So they are paying $249 per month to have the 2 robots trade on their account. And which one again? We have the Luna Primal bot monthly description. There's always a description for who uses this subscription. So down here written, this is for clients who already have Luna Primal bot. So you first rent the bot, then you can choose to enter the subscription. Now the advantages of subscription is that you get monthly update, you get updates of the bot. If there's any update, you also get you get the new update sent to you. Yeah, so if you rent it for 1 month, that means you rent the update of that month, trade with it. Then if you want to continue, then now you join the subscription plan, where you will be not paying another $1,200 in case of Primal bot, Luna Primal. You'll be now paying monthly to 49 USD to have Luna trade on your account. We also have Apollo G++. Its monthly is 149 USD. Explanation down here. Ensure you read the explanation so that you understand the plan of the robot. This is for clients who already have Apollo G++ bot trading on their account. Yeah, so with the bot subscription, you must first have bought the bot in the first place. Then now you enter the subscription plan, where now you will not be charged the same amount you used to buy the bot, but a monthly fee for having the bot trade on your account. We also have Apollo Global. I think I talked about that. So this is pretty simple. You just check on the bot description. The title tells you what you are paying for. Then I think all is done. You can always check on your cart and check out. I think I explained that. Delete. Okay. Yeah, so pretty much done with the explanation. Yeah, so you can always get back to the site by clicking the logo. Takes you back to the site, or clicking home button, and you're back to the site. Thank you very much, guys. I hope you understood. In case you have any question, you can always reach me out using my Telegram link on the video description. And don't forget to leave a comment, and let's meet next time.